I have a mustache.
Wow, you have a mustache. Anyway, Caleb here, and I have this egg in my hand for a reason. We are shooting a video about an old man who has to eat his pills, and I put pills all over this egg, and I don't really want to ingest the remnants of menstrual cycle pills, so I'm gonna toss it. Ew! It was like.
It's my mating call.
Punching your buns, punching your buns, I am punching your buns. I'm a tough tune, baby, I'm punching your buns.
Here we are up on the roof for no reason.
It's romantic.
So here we are, making some signs for the youth group fundraiser. Started.
Cool. Smash, idiot. I'm Quan the Annihilator, which is awesome because I'm awesome.
This is the chicken brooding room. Good. Chickens don't chew their food,
So you give them rocks to
so
eat.
they need to eat like sand or small rocks. Yeah, if you feel right there, it's not very full right now, but you feel a little soft area. It feels a little grainy. That's the crop. After they've just eaten, it gets really big.
This is Rebecca.
Hi.
And her husband Ryan is in the kitchen over there, whipping up some sort of great meal for me. No. Alright, Kenny, say something.
Something.
You heard it here, folks. What? I need to go to bed. Alright, say something profound.
Something profound.
Alright, what about you, Ryan? Say something profound.
Knowledge is knowing a tomato is a fruit. Wisdom is not putting it in a fruit salad.
So it's Sunday afternoon, and actually yesterday we had the car wash. The reason we did that was as a fundraiser to make money so that we could go on a trip to Florida as a youth group. And it was actually pretty funny. Yesterday there was two little kids there, David and Christian, and they just walked around and asked people for money the whole time, and they got like over 200, well, actually over like $300 just by bugging people for money. So that was pretty good. Alright, so now that I made you listen to that racket, I think I'm gonna go swimming because it's like 95 degrees out. So right now, I am editing a video for my main channel. See this old guy here. So I guess that's about it for this vlog. See you next time.